we have thornless blackberries. It has thick stems. It handles very well, so it needs to be pruned at least once every 2 years. Let's get started with the pruning. The blackberry bush has this shape. On my bush, fuck, main stems. The main difference between thornless blackberries and regular ones is that it really loves to branch out, meaning that with each, a shoot appears in the bud, which looks like a tree, like grapes, and it's already producing fruit. We need it now. Make it so that there was maximum sunlight on each branch. First, you need to remove all the old and dead broken branches. It's also necessary to remove the branches that were from last year and the old ones from the light, because all of this is unnecessary bacteria, sources of infection. We're cutting away all the excess. The main stem needs to be pruned to the height of the trellis, which is set in our case. My spoiler height is 1 meter, so I'll cut the top one off by about 1 meter. Part of the main stem, it is necessary to sort this out with this stem so it doesn't twist for the successful growth. We prune above in the brightness of the part. And we need to do this with all the stems that have grown. Stems that have grown. We remove all frozen and waterlogged materials, parts of the bush, trimming the top part allows you to stimulate the growth of side branches, which will, the harvest will form, so don't push it too high. Wings. Next we need to tie these branches that we've just tied to the trellis. Using special clamps or regular string, we tie them neither too weak nor too tight, whatever. Squeezing the trunk during its growth all the side branches that have already grown need to be pruned to a length of about 50 centimeters. In this shade, from the width of the trellis, well, it can be 2 meters. And we tie them up too to the main trellis horizontally. very long side branches. We prune them because they will interfere with growth. I leave 50 centimeters. Everything else can be thrown away. Spring pruning stimulates growth, lateral branches, and accordingly an increase in the number of roses. We remove all dried branches down to the root. Trying not to leave any stumps, just like with raspberries. This is an important rule. Dead branches differ in color. They have wooden structure, wooden color, and in the section they are dry. So they need to be removed and burned. This is what it looks like. Pruned blackberry. The main stems are tied to the trellis side. The shoots that extend are tied up, or to the horizontal wires, as in this case, or else to the wooden part. This is how it looks. All the dead ones. Stiffened. The suckers have been removed. And in principle already you can spray with copper sulfate. I'm going to treat the grapes, and I'll treat them all in one go. Bushes are blackberries. You watched a video about how to prune blackberries in the spring. That's my rule. I do it this way.